In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple themes for pages in WordPress. This is a great way to customize your website and make each section stand out uniquely while maintaining the full functionality WordPress is known for. To start off, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have access to the WordPress admin dashboard. This is where we manage all the back-end tasks, including theme settings. Once logged in, navigate to Plugins on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. At the plugin repository, search for Multiple Themes or simply find a reliable plugin that allows the use of multiple themes. This plugin is going to help us apply different themes to different pages seamlessly. After you've found a suitable plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. Activating it will ensure that it's integrated into your WordPress setup and ready for use. Once activated, you'll notice a new option in the settings menu labeled Theme Settings or something similar depending on the plugin. Go ahead and click on that. Within the theme settings, you'll be presented with a variety of options to manage your themes. Look for an option like Multiple Themes or Theme Filters. This is typically where you'll define which theme applies to which page. To do this, you will need to have more than one theme installed on your WordPress. If you haven't done so yet, head over to Appearance and then Themes to install additional themes you'd like to use. Click on Add New, browse the available themes, and then install and activate them. Remember, you don't need to activate them as a whole for the entire website. Returning to your plugin settings, let's assign your themes to specific pages. You might see a button or link that says Add New Rule or the like. Click on it, and a new interface will pop up. Here, you can select a specific page or range of pages, then choose the theme you wish to apply to those pages from a drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, be sure to save these settings. It's crucial to repeat this step for each page or section that you want to have a different theme. As a tip, always preview your pages after assigning a theme to ensure that everything is displaying correctly. Different themes may require different settings to look their best. Additionally, keep in mind that using too many themes can sometimes impact your site's loading speed or compatibility with other plugins. Always test thoroughly and adjust your choices accordingly. Once you've confirmed everything looks great, congratulations, you've successfully set up multiple themes for pages on your WordPress site. This method allows for a deeply personalized and unique visitor experience on your website, highlighting different contents with the visual style they deserve. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our WordPress tips and tutorials.